Well, today, after a quick sabbatical from the tube, I'm back. And I'm going to hit you with these here Texas short ribs from my friends over at Porter Road. Short ribs are beef. That means they come from a cow. And they are dry aged, which means they're going to be awesome. We're going to get them out of this very nice packaging and dry them off. I want you to check out that color and that marbling. That means it's going to be good. And they trimmed them up pretty good, so I just hit a little bit of fat just to make it like I was doing something. Mix you up a rub of equal parts salt, pepper, garlic, and this here MOJO barbecue. You don't have some, get you some. I need to buy some toys. Rub all 6 sides up pretty heavy. Give it a snort test, because if it does not smell good, it's not going to taste good. Let them hang out and sweat in while we go fire up this new little grill. Now, I needed a grill like this because my wife got tired of me trying to put the Outlaw in the back of the Sub when we was taking trips. So, got this baby, and let me tell you, she is awesome. You can see it's already set up for 2-zone cooking, which we like to do a lot. So let's just get her fired up. We're going to open up that smoke hole on the bottom, and when she gets around 250 degrees, we're going to go inside, and woo, them look good. Get their beef ribs, and get them put on the opposite side of that fire basket. This is a smoked beef rib. Alrighty. Oh yeah, and I did put cherry wood in there because that is all I had. Alright, there we go. Let's put the lid on her. And I'm going to control the temperature with this top vent right here. Open it if you want it hotter, close down if you want it cooler. Alrighty. You can do the whole red wine, celery, blah, blah, blah. But I'm going to be manly and cook things that will stick to my bones because I don't want to get skinny. We're going to do potatoes and mushrooms. We're going to hit it with a little bit of that there rub mixture. Some of this W sauce that I've been wanting to try, and it snorts very well also. We're going to use about this much. We got 2 cups of beef broth that we mixed up, and you know what I like using there, that butter and bouillon. Little cilantro, because cilantro is good, and a stick of butter. That's it. Take it back out here. Man, after 2 hours, those ribs look good enough to eat, but I bet they're not tender enough to eat. What we're going to do, we're going to stick them on top because the grill will not hold a whole foil pan. I mean, a half pan and the ribs. Let's let that run for about an hour. Let that butter melt. Let that liquid get warm. Come back. We should be setting around 175 degrees. Now, when smoking, 175 is a magic number. Meat really not going to take much more smoke. It's just going to build up on the outside, and that could cause it to be bitter. Let's cover it in foil. Let her run for about another hour and a half, or until that thermopin just falls right down in that meat. That should be around 210 degrees. It's like butter. All right, might as well check them taters while we're in here, and they're at 210, so that means they're perfect also. Let's let her rest for as long as you can do. I'm saying about 15 minutes. Hit it with some of that liquid gold, and let's go ahead and eat it. Mushrooms. Taters. Yes. But we could use a little flaky salt, so I'll leave a description, link up here about how to make your own smoked salt. Man, dry aged beef is the way to go. Order you some. They are great. You know, I appreciate you. MOJO is out.